Hello, and welcome back to Shiba Inu Land, where we bring you the most recent and intriguing Shiba Inu news. We're giving away 100 million Shiba Inu coins to those who are watching. All you have to do is upvote, subscribe, comment hashtag Shiba Inu, and watch the video to the end to be eligible. The winners will be picked next month and publicized on the community page of the channel. Shiba Inu's Layer 2 scaling solution is a highly awaited initiative for shareholders, noted Shiba Inu Coin CEO when she disclosed a secret price boost in exactly 48 hours. The growth and adoption of Shiba's new ecosystems depend heavily on Shimerium's Layer 2 solution. Analysts expect additional declines in GPU and have a pessimistic stance on CBE News. Today, we'll cover all the new CEO recently disclosed regarding inexpensive and explain why you should take it seriously. Please enjoy your daily dose of Shiba at Shiba Inu Coin. This is the place to subscribe if you're interested in everything about Shiba. Please click the like button so that we can give you more Shib news and keep you informed on all the predictions in the world of cryptocurrencies. To participate in our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments, don't forget to enable all notifications. Let's check at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on September 9th before we move on to our issue. In August, the price of SHIB rose from $11.69 million to $18 million. In less than a week, the surge reached roughly a 55% level. She reversed all of her gains over the course of the next 2 weeks as it continued to decline. At the time of recording, the price was in between two significant short-term support and resistance zones. Support lay at $1,194 millions of $1, noted by the cyan box, while resistance lied at $1,267 million and $7, shown in red. Eventually, 100% of the upward rise was retraced. Both of these regions are around 3% away from where SHIB were traded at the time of writing and away from potential trading opportunities. Over the coming week, there may be a buy or sell opportunity, and Bitcoin's volatility may also have a significant impact. The Relative Strength Index, which was swaying between the bulls and the bears at neutral 50, indicated that the indicators were slightly neutral for SHIB. Over the previous few days, the accumulation/distribution ad line has gradually dipped downward. The CMF was likewise in a neutral zone between positive and negative 0.05 values at the same time as the trembling money flow. The volume indicators suggested that neither buying pressure nor selling pressure was predominant. If this changed, the market may experience momentum, which might present a trading opportunity. Now let's return to the subject. Shiba's launch of its rims may be the catalyst for a bull market. Shot by Shipping News, Shiba Arium's debut was hinted at by Toshi Kusama, an ecosystem development that has been long anticipated. While awaiting the Layer 2 scaling solutions deployment, new holders are being shipped. Its supporters think it might serve as a bullish trigger for the meme coin. Shiba Inu's burn implementation is a major factor in the price increase of Dogecoin killers, together with the release of Shibarium. She beat the news burn rate by 300% overnight, a website Shibburn disclosed. Overnight, 14 transactions totaling more than 213 million Shiba tokens were burned. The burn rate significantly increased, which boosted holders' positive sentiment. She, however, outbid the new price and didn't make a profit. The idea of 111 trillion she burned throughout the course of the following year was recently discussed by Chimino community moderators. Such a burn would likely increase news prices and result in double-digit returns for holders. Civic new price is making an effort to recover. Analysts assessed the current price trend for Shiba and disclosed a gloomy forecast. Crypto analyst Kelvin Molina predicts a downward trend, and Civil New Maya contends that there is a strong possibility of a collapse below the lows of $1.116 billion. Moving beyond the $14 million mark could lead to a new peak. A breakthrough $14 million of $1 will indicate a trend reversal. Analysts predict that Shib's future Layer 2 network and Shibori technology will be the most significant advancement in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Shibaswap's release date and primary developer were frequently requested by investors. Itoshi Kusama recently tweeted Chitoshi, asking him to give a hint on the release of 11 Barium, and the developer didn't disappoint. Chitoshi Kusama, could you maybe provide us any hints or clues? My mind can't stop thinking about her. Marina sent a user message. The head developer tweeted a photo of what appears to be a Shiba Inu Eternity card game with the word "soon" written on the computer screen. A few hours later, Chateau replied to the user with an image implying that Maria would be published soon. The character is slaving away with another shortly to be discussed below while wearing a shirt that mentions dev. At the conclusion of the opponent's turn, the card also says to eliminate 2 random enemy fighters. According to Satoshi's tweet, the release of Shiba Inu may be closer than previously anticipated. A possible release date for Shiba Inu was not provided by the principal developer, though. Shibori and the public testnet will be released in Q3 of 2022, the company creating the Layer 2 network confirmed at the most recent unification. The Shiba Inu documentation may therefore be available before September 30th, 2022. Will the new Shiba Arena in Shiba feature a built-in game? Given Satoshi's response, there's a remote possibility that Barrio will incorporate the Shiba into the everlasting card game. Additionally, the response might suggest that Satoshi makes a hint that Shiba Inu would be made available once the card game debuts. There is no simple solution because Shitoshi has not verified the game's connection with Chiver, but they appear to be taking shape well and may be launched before she started. She would be in the Eternity games. In Vietnam, the game is currently being tested by the general public, and testing in the US may begin soon. If we talk about the inexpensive metaverse, it will have 100,595 parcels of land that people will mint. Those in charge of the Shiba Unit project claim. Landowners can gather materials for the game, get rewards, and earn passive revenue from their plots. The creators also intend to give gamers a method to make money and guarantee that they have a private area where they can manage and grow their projects. Some of the lands are locks that serve as important hubs for passage within the metaverse, so they are not all available for rent or purchase. Those areas will continue to be private and act as common areas that reflect connections between various regions of the metaverse. There will be 100,595 plots of land up for sale in the new Shiva project, with the first phase making a total of 32,124 plots of land available for user purchase. Users will be able to engage in various activities within the Shib metaverse. These activities include learning, working, and engaging in various activities such as buying property, also known as Sheep Land, which will be separated into 4 categories: silver for gold towel, platinum PA, diamond teats, and 0.2 ether to 1 ether. Players will also have the chance to win and acquire various NFTs, such as bones, leashes, and sheep in the virtual world. All okay, bye for now. Additionally, we would like to point out that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice and that we are not urging you to invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. In light of this, we advise you to conduct in-depth, comprehensive research on the subject before making any investments. We trust you enjoyed the video. If you own a Shiba, please let us know in the comments below. Please also subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Shiba Inu Land will see you again soon. Bye.